Topic 2.2 is ecosystem services. From this, we should be able to describe ecosystem services, and we should be able to describe the results of human disruptions to ecosystem services. There are four main types of ecosystem services. The first are provisioning. These are any type of benefit that we can extract from nature to benefit humans. So examples would be food, energy in the form of fossil fuels, biomedical needs, timber, water, fibers that we could make into clothing or other materials. Regulating services are the next one. These are processes that work together to kind of keep ecosystems flowing, to keep them clean, sustainable, functional, and resistant to change. So this would include decomposition, water purification, erosion and flood control, carbon storage, climate regulation, and control of pests and pathogens. The next type is cultural services. These are non-material benefits that humans can derive from our ecosystems, and it helps with the advancement of our culture and human development. So it would include things like inspiration for arts, music, recreational activities such as fishing, hiking, spiritual and religious connections we get from nature, educational opportunities, ecotourism, a general sense of place and belonging, or your cultural heritage. The last service are the supporting services, and these are the underlying processes that we need in order for Earth to sustain basic life forms. So without these, we wouldn't have all of the other services. So this includes things like photosynthesis, nutrient cycling, creation of soil via decomposition and weathering, and pollination. So humans are disrupting these ecosystem services as we're impacting biodiversity. So for example, if we think about pollination, our use of pesticides and herbicides is impacting our natural pollinators such as honeybees and butterflies. Another example would be for erosion and flood control. So as we participate in deforestation and removal of trees and other plant material, those roots from those plants really hold the soil in place. So as we remove them, we're removing the natural service of erosion and flood control that would be provided. There has been a decline in ecosystem services. Of 24 different ones, 15 have been found to be declining or used at a rate that's unsustainable. So this has both ecological consequences and economic consequences, as humans now have to pay for these services in some other form. So the best way to preserve these ecosystem functions and services is to protect biodiversity. There's been a direct relationship with the loss of biodiversity and a loss of ecosystem services.